Hi guys, my name is Marcellya Leonic, and this time I want to take you around Bali. So, but first, I transit in Situbondo, East Java. I swear, this view is so beautiful. I'm amazing for that. The sunset is so beautiful, but unfortunately, it's quiet. After Situbondo, I went to Gilimanuk Harbor to take a bath at Bali. I was a bit dizzy here and I want to throw up. I didn't realize I had her in Bali. The first destination here was Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is so very beautiful. Like 7 years ago, I'm coming here. Still very beautiful and with its calm waves. After being satisfied enjoying the beauty of Tanah Lot, which is still as stunning as before. I continue hunting for souvenirs around the tourist area. Raw is souvenir shop offer a variety of Balinese specialties ranging from ethnic painter's fabric, handicraft to traditional snacks that are trembling to that spot. It's hard to resist buying them all. The journey continued to Melasi Beach, and wow, the beach is really amazing. Towering cliff, crystal clear sea water, and a climber atmosphere made me want to linger there. I had time to sit and enjoy that after breeze while watching the waves slowly sweeping and white sand. It felt truly peaceful.
Excuse me, so what's your name? Sorry.
My name is Nawel.
Where are you from?
France.
France?
My name is Gala. I'm from France.
Yeah, my name is Leonic. I'm from here. I'm from Leonic. And so I think I just
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes.
A trip to Bali, it's not completely without stopping by Kota Beach. Although it is more crowded, the atmosphere is still pleasant. There is a charm it's all when you see the sky turn orange as the sun begins to set on the western horizon, accompanied by laughter of tourists and the never-ending crashing of the waves. And
Shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place.
I ended my trip a visit to Undanu Beratan, a temple that seemed to flutter too late. The thin mist, a cool mountain air made me a small vase feel magical. When standing in front of the temple, I was suddenly bursting the truly extraordinary beauty of Bali's nature and culture. Bali never fails to give surprise and beautiful memories.
Touch of love, everyone becomes